This video explains how to set the index of a pandas data frame in the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And after running this line of code we can use the DataFrame constructor to create a new pandas data frame. So after running these lines of code, a new data frame called data has been created, and this data frame contains 5 rows and the 3 columns x1, x2 and x3. Now let's assume that we want to set a certain column of our data frame to the index of this data frame. Then we can apply the setIndex function, as you can see in the third code box. So in the setIndex function I'm specifying the name of the column that I want to use as the index, and then I'm storing the output of this in a new data frame object that I'm calling data_new. And then I'm also printing the output of this below the code box. So after running these lines of code you can see that a new data frame is appearing, where the column x2 has been set as the index, and the columns x1 and x3 are still appearing as regular columns of our data frame. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.